Sourcing goals. What are they and why they're essential for your Amazon FBA business in 2023?
What the heck are you even talking about?
To break it down, sourcing goals are one of the keys to having a successful Amazon FBA business. The reason that sourcing goals are so important are the fact that they add consistency and keep you accountable for the things that you need to be doing every single day to make this business work for you. The bottom line is you're not going to make money with Amazon FBA unless you're consistently pursuing new inventory that you could buy for less and sell for more on Amazon. The fact of the matter is, the hardest part about this business is that nobody's going to be telling you what you need to be doing and when, and sourcing goals is something that I implemented into my business that allowed me to scale and stay consistent over the past 5 years. Basically, all the concept of sourcing goals is just that it's staying consistent on how much inventory you want to be buying for your Amazon FBA business. So for example, just for round numbers, if you wanted to purchase $30,000 worth of profitable inventory for Amazon FBA and you wanted to spend every single day in a month or 30 days, you need to consistently be purchasing on average $1,000 or more every single day that you're buying product. That's just the concept, and it can be scaled up or down. Basically, you need to hold yourself accountable on how much inventory you're actively pursuing and purchasing every single day. So if it's online arbitrage, every day you want to be looking for new deals and purchasing certain quantities and monitoring your restocks. The only way that you're going to hit the goals that you want is by purchasing inventory consistently on a daily basis. Holding myself accountable to goals like these is what's allowed me to actually scale this business, staying consistent with what we're buying. This gets a lot more complicated as you go to scale, and it's not just round numbers like that all the time. You need to actually be consistently purchasing this inventory every single day or week or throughout the month. And with wholesale, like I said, it gets more complicated because you don't really have to place a wholesale order every single day. It takes 2 to 3 week lead times. But if you stay consistent on how much you're overall spending in a month's time, the following month is going to be the revenue goal that you wanted to if you shipped it in on a timely basis. Once you start doing this for months on end and you're actually selling through the inventory and constantly purchasing and shipping on like a daily or weekly basis, however your business model works, it will become a lot easier and more routine for you. But it's the only way to scale is to build this routine and system where you consistently are bringing on inventory. And you don't want to be making bad buys where you're purchasing inventory that doesn't hit your criteria or just buying so that way you hit the number. But this is something that you need to figure out a way to hold yourself accountable. So for you guys that want to do $10,000 in sales or something like that, you need to bring on roughly $6,000 worth of inventory and sell through it. You need to divide that up over how long you want to take to buy that inventory and write it down on your notepad or on your to-do list every day. Sit there and buy $600 worth of inventory, or sit there and buy $500 worth of inventory. And just sit there and source until you hit your goals. For a lot of you guys that have sourcing issues, the bottom line is you're not looking through enough products, whether it's wholesale, whether it's online arbitrage, even retail arbitrage. Like 95% of the products that you look at are not going to be winners. And it's that slim, small percentage of products that you find are going to be good. So out of every 100 products that you look at, maybe only 5 to 10 of them are going to be really, really, really good. So you need to figure out a way to expedite the process of going through those hundreds so you can bring on all the inventory. Sourcing is not as hard as it seems. It's just about consistency. And this is something that we've implemented here to make our business grow month over month. In conclusion, I use sourcing goals every single month, and we try and make our sourcing goal higher each month, or at least a little bit higher, to break the barriers so we can consistently grow our business and our revenue. We also take looks at the pieces of the puzzle where we're not buying good inventory and why that inventory was purchased. And so that way we don't make the same mistakes over again, because it does happen. But this simple strategy of staying consistent and having a goal for you to source and purchase worth of inventory will allow you to really scale your business in terms of revenue. And you obviously have to monitor how the stock goes. If you want to stay more consistent with your Amazon FBA business and learn the exact strategies I utilize to purchase for wholesale or online arbitrage or liquidations and closeouts and everything A through Z, make sure you click the link down below and join our free Discord server, and you will have access to ourselves and other 6- and 7-figure sellers that you can bounce ideas and talk about goals like these and how to scale your Amazon FBA business. That's it for this video. Thank you for your business.